Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 74. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Jiangshu and Shishining. Shishining continued to tease her. Right now, isn't it my original plan to let her body sink? No, this girl, she is really getting tricky. Also, she really wants to tease her so much. Positioning her feelings, it's really getting strange. But now, she is willing to make friends with me wholeheartedly. Why? I am. Still, she was laughing that Angshu still wants to be friends with her. For the first things that happened to the two of them, especially with the commotion with her brother. If Changshu is just a greedy for my body, there's a lot of things are bothering her. Till now, she really can't figure it out. Well, if Chang doesn't slap me, will I stop? Pursue her? Queen Shishaning at this moment, she was hesitating. Also, she got really confused with the action of Changshu, but she can see right now. It is really changing from being rude, but right now, it really changed a lot. Shishaning, why are you so novel? Jiangshu said to her. Now, it really makes sense. Jiangshu at this moment seems to be uncomfortable. Ah, she really wants to stop. But Shishaning at this moment, she continued to call her. Well, this girl, it's like she's being punished. Of course, it's not like that. Shishaning said, say, your heart is happy with me. Now, she wants to know her true feelings. That's why she's asking what she feels right now toward hers. But looking at Changshu at this moment, she seems to be uncomfortable. What time is it? And I have to do some of this. This girl, she knows that Sishaning, it's really getting tough on her. Now, since her feeling, it become really strange. Tickling on her shoulders and she really come closer towards Sishaning. Changshu seems to be different. By Sishaning's point of view, she really can figure out how does she feels. You can say it. Otherwise, sister won't go in. Shishaning said to Jiangshu. But now, situation, Shishaning, she's getting timid. Also, look at her. She becomes shy towards her since she was so eager to know what Jiangshu feels for her. Right now, she seems to be awkward, right? Say it, otherwise, my sister wouldn't go in. Oh, she's teasing her again. By doing that, right now, it was Shangshu. She's really getting impatient. You are finished, Shangshu said to her. Well, what is she going to do? It seems that Shishani, she only want to tease her. Right now, of course, she really want to punish her. Spring night is worth $1,000. You like it or not? Shishaning said to her, when we did this before, I didn't ask. No, she was right. But also, Shishaning, she's really getting tricky. Back then, right now, Changshu, there's a lot of things are bothering to her. And she continued to think about it. A little bit misunderstanding and put the relationship in chaos again. I didn't ask it if you were happy with me. Changshu said to Sishaning. Sishaning, she really want to know about her true feelings for her. If she can able to love her or something else. But since she got really shy at this moment, right now, Changshu, it's like how? What if you don't like it? Also, she was hesitating about the true feelings of Changshu. She thought that Changshu will never love her. After hearing this, of course, Changshu has been so rattled. Also, she's gritting her teeth. Well, maybe she really want to tell her the truth. But of course, she was hesitating. What if she got rejected? Sishani said to her, like is like, dislike is a must like. So, you must like me. Changshu said to Sishani. Now, these two girls, they're getting tricky to each other. Right now, how can there be such a domineering and unreasonable request? The elder sister is really Empress Dowager, above 10,000 people, and she is peerless. The words respect you. Right now, Shishaning, she was hesitating again. Of course, she really wanted to tell her about her true feelings, but right now, there's a lot of things bothering her, and a lot of things needs to consider. Well, what's gonna happen now, since the two of them are both restraining herself? But Shishaning told her, because I prefers your liking, and you, well, now, if she able to tell this, she really want her answer at this moment. What happened to her today? Why is she always obsessed with liking or not liking? She was really thinking hard. She don't know what's happening to Shishaning. That's she always wanting to know her answer. Also, she really asked a lot of questions. Since she's so persistent, Jiangshu said to her, well, definitely, she's going to give her an answer. She seems to be getting tricky. She is smiling hard and tell her, of course, I like you. Well, let's hope Shishaning will have to know this, right? But looking at Jiangshu, it seems to be the feeling it's really true for her. I've said it before, I admire my sister's style. It has always been like this. Jiangshu said to her. Now, after hearing this, of course, right now, Shishaning, she was really confident on herself that Jiangshu, that she really liked her so much. But what does my sister mean by very deep love? So it turns out, Shishaning feeling is really getting deeper towards Jiangshu. That's why she can say about this. But Jiangshu, she doesn't wake up. What does it mean for her? Right now, Shishaning said it's all about love, but falling hard for her. So maybe it's going to explain her about the things. After saying this, right now, Shishaning, she was sighing. Probably she got really surprised with the actions of Jiangshu. But let's hope the relationship of the two of them will be better, especially at this moment that Shishaning, she confessed that her feelings. She really gave her a right answer for the questions that she's been asking for. Probably she got really happy about this. Right now, it was Jiangshu. She moved closer to Shishaning. This girl, she might be going to trick her again. No, Shishaning told her that can there be a love between us? So right now, she's expecting Jiangshu will also love her so much. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!